All right, good morning. So I'm going to be putting on my makeup this morning and just talking as I go along. And today I wanted to focus on the foundation that I absolutely love. We do have others, so it just depends on what you like. I use Cashmere Complexion. And when you go onto the website and click on the description of any of the products, it will give you all of the benefits for that particular product, depending on what you're looking for. For example, I think most of the items that Avon carries is vegan. So I know that some of you are concerned with that. And I also wanted to discuss with you the colors that they have. Let you know that there is a virtual try-on tool. So if you're not sure what color you should get, make sure you're in good lighting, like with the sun, not directly on your face, but with some lighting when you use the tool to find the correct color for your face. I have 3 different colors that I bought for myself. And at the time that I bought each one, they were fine. And I'm sure a lot of you have, I'm sure if you've been wearing makeup a long time, you know that throughout the seasons, your skin color can or may change, depending on how much sun you got during the summer or how much little sun you got during the winter time. I have 3 of the shades here, and I will do a little test just so you can kind of see the range that I go throughout the year. If you do end up buying any Avon product, you can return it, or you can exchange it for a different color if you want. And otherwise, you can always contact me and say, hey, I am not happy with this. If for some reason, I don't know why Avon wouldn't take it back. If Avon doesn't take it back, contact me. Let me know and I will help you out. Before I get started, I do want to read you the description of the Cashmere Complexion. And this is straight from the website, so it's the same information that you have. If I need to find further information for you, I will. So description: get cashmere soft skin that looks effortlessly beautiful as you do. Available in 30 matte shades, so you can even buy some of these and use them for your contouring. A wide range of skin tones and undertones. This liquid foundation visibly blurs pores and lines for 24 hours of complexion perfection. So I know that you guys in the videos, you can see how uneven my skin is. And by the time I'm done, when I am taking my selfies in bright light and up above so that you don't get my double chin, it's all even tone. I don't highlight, so sometimes my face looks really flat in the pictures, but it's not. It's just because I didn't do the contouring that some of the people do. The other benefits: 24 hours comfortable breathable wear, true. Full flexible coverage with soft focus matte finish, and it gets into my pores and not into the pores. It covers everything really nicely. Soft focus and shine absorbing qualities help maintain a smooth matte finish, which is great because I do get shiny. Look, it's already getting shiny here and here, you can tell. But when I have the makeup on, I don't really notice it as much. Like, it usually stays pretty matte. Antioxidant botanical extracts, artichoke, and butterfly lavender, so non-GMO. Soft coated pigments comfortably hug the skin, providing maximum coverage and lasting wear. Water resistant, true. Ideal for all skin types. Vegan, fragrance, paraben, sulfate, and phthalate free. So I know that a lot of you are looking for things that are good for your skin. I recommend this. It feels really, really nice compared to other things that I have tried before. And I do like things from over the counter. But I also like some luxury too. And this is why I tell you, by the time I have gone onto the videos, you prep and prime your skin first. Wash, put your serums on, put your moisturizers and your primers or whatever you want to put on. Maybe go grab your coffee, and by the time you're done, that has absorbed into your skin. And then you can apply your cashmere. And they're mowing my lawn, so I apologize. I hope you can hear me. Okay, so this color is macadamia. It comes with its own little wand. And then let's see if I can see. It's pretty tan.
Better them than me.
And look, if you can tell, I put it on, but it's actually already absorbing. So I'm just going to leave it there. Let's see. Well, blend it out a little. So you can tell the difference from when I bought this one compared to some of the other ones. And that one was the macadamia. I do not have all 30 shades. I only have these 3. This one is also very much darker than the macadamia. This one I think is chai or chai tea, something like that. And let's see. And this one is super, super dark. But again, when I bought these, my skin was had more pigment to it. And then the one that I'm going to use today is called Marshmallow. Oh, look. See? This one blends in a lot better because this is where I'm at in this time of year. And most of the year, because I don't really like going outside. I hate the outdoors. Alright, so it says to get started with your primers. This is what I use, Magic Prime, SPF 20. If I were to go outdoors, I always make sure and put on my primer. This also helps with getting into your fine lines, which is where I'm at, starting to get fine lines. Definitely right here. And I know it looks like I'm tugging on my skin, but this primer is really, my fingers are, I know it, look, I'm pushing down to try to stop my fingers from going whoop. Okay, so the one that I'm using today is Marshmallow. Get it started to soak in to my dark circles. They do have concealer from the Cashmere Collection, but I don't have any. But if you prefer to put on concealer because you have really things that you need to cover up, they do have that as well. And I told you guys I am not a makeup artist. I am just a mom that loves AVON and enjoys putting on makeup sometimes. It's not always the correct way to put it on, but I think that's the majority of all of us normal people out there. We do what we can that we think looks good. So I really have no idea how to use these things, these little sponges. My daughter, she's 12, gave me some pointers to use these, and I feel kind of dumb. So I squeezed it with some water over at the sink before I got on, squeezed it all out. It's nice and spongy instead of hard like it was before when I was having all those troubles. And so she told me just to always make sure to squeeze it with some water to get it plumped up before I get started. Which, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know. Or maybe you're not supposed to. It just happens to be a tip that worked for her. I don't know. But it works much better. The first time I tried to use this little thing, it didn't really do what it was supposed to, or what I was expecting, I guess. But with her little tip, it seems to be doing much better. I do like to use my fingertips when I'm in the bathroom, when I'm near the sink, because I grew up using my fingertips. So the spongy thing is kind of new. And also, applying makeup in a camera is quite different than trying to apply it. Look, there's the lawn guys. They're getting up there. Sorry. Alright, I think I'm going to do one more little application because some of it had dried and it is not really blending. Because it, like I read, it soaks in, it dries, it makes it matte. So there's a couple of spots on here I just want to double check and get over that. And while I'm doing that, after the lawn guys leave, I posted a live video yesterday. Or the other day. Don't forget to blend. I am selling the lip balm holders for $6. Comes with a random lip balm that I have on hand, and then your choice of the design. Comes with the attached ring, and then the additional key ring on there for you. For an additional $2, so $8, you can choose which flavor or which kind of lip balm you want. I have the Dew Kiss Moisture Therapy, strawberry, melon, and vanilla. And they do taste good. And then plus a little bundle of samples that I have on hand for you. But so $6 for just this, possibly a sample if I can, I'll put those in there for you. But for $8, you'll get your key ring, your choice of the chapstick, the lip balm, and a little bundle of different AVON things that you can try on. So freebies, okay? Freebies. And the shipping is free. Don't worry about the shipping. I'll get it out to you. I'm going to put just a little bit more. I'm going to try to put some on my sponge and see if that helps me better. There we go. Cover up my red cheeks. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera because I really just wanted to focus on the Cashmere Complexion that we have. I wanted to let you know about, the return policy, that if you choose a color and you're like, oh my goodness, this is just, I thought it was the right color, it's not. Hey, it is exchangeable, it is returnable. You just, call AVON, let them know. If you're having trouble getting it, let me know. That's what I'm here for. And all of this is can be delivered directly to you. So you can get it ordered and mailed out to you, and it'll be waiting for you at home when you get home from work. Alright, so I'm going to stop the video now because I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I really just wanted to focus on that. If you have any questions on the Cashmere collection, let me know. Like I said, they do have the concealers, and they also have Cashmere Complexion powder you can put on top of what you're doing now. This powder can actually be worn alone, dry or wet, and it is buildable coverage. So just log into my website, youravon.com/AnnaCat with a K, 2 T's. Type in Cashmere and it'll bring up the entire line of the Cashmere Complexion line. And I'm sure you'll find something that you like. And if you have questions or you just need a second opinion on what color you think, use the try-on tool, take a screenshot, send them to me, and I'll try to help you out with your color. All right, bye.